Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the EZ Toys screw clamps with attachment. So let's get started. So these are the screw clamps with attachment rings itself. Each nipple clamp features a soft tip at the end just here to provide comfortable sensations during use. They're very simple and easy to squeeze and provide wonderful nipple stimulation. You can choose your own pressure with these metal nipple clamps as well. The clamps are small, strong and durable, and of course are suitable for both men and women. You can use the screw on top here to adjust the pressure and it doesn't scratch the skin. The clamps have a small metal ring at the bottom just here, which you can use to attach the clamps to a bondage chain, for example. Stimulating, small and easy to use. And that is the EZ Toys screw clamps with attachment rings. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you again next time.